Fost il-pajjiżi li joffru programmi tal-olimpjadi speċjali, Malta tinsab minn ta' quddiem. Għalet dan ma' News Mary Davis, il-President tal-Olimpjadi speċjali għar-regjuni tal-Ewropa u tal-Asja.
I think here in Malta is a wonderful example of a Special Olympics programme that have a very good engagement and association with the government.
Davis tkellmet dwar dak li tapprezza mill-programm Malti.
Well, Malta, first of all, has a very strong programme of Special Olympics. You know, it's a small island and they have over 500 athletes involved in the Special Olympics programme. They have over 800 family members, large number of sports that they offer, and there's a great feeling of community spirit and engagement here in Malta.
Bejn il-ġimgħa u s-sibt f'Malta qed tittella konferenza dwar is-suġġett għax l-Olimpjati ma joffrux biss opportunità lill-atleti biex jikkompetu ma' xulxin, iżda anki biex jintegraw ma' nies oħra li m'għandhomx diżabilità.
We want to ensure that our athletes have an opportunity to participate and to play with their peers who have not a disability. So we're doing a lot of work in engaging with young people, reaching out to schools, to universities, inviting them to become involved in the work that we do so that they can form friendships and play on the same playing field and swim in the same swimming pool.
Rappreżentanti minn 58 pajjiż mir-reġjuni tal-Ewropa u tal-Asja se jkunu qed jiddiskutu kif għandhom jitqassmu aħjar ir-riżorsi. Preżenti kien hemm Prim Ministru Michel Muscat. Hija appellat biex il-komunità tagħti importanza lil dawn l-Olimpjadi għax mill-esperjenzi tal-atleti għandna ħafna x'nitalmu. Is-Sinjura Muscat uriet l-apprezzament tagħha l-fatt li ħafna atleti bi bżonnijiet speċjali qed jużaw faċilitajiet sportivi tal-Gvern.